Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can back up your Bitcoin wallet. Keep watching the video till the end. To back up your Bitcoin wallet, firstly open up your Bitcoin wallet application. The home page of Bitcoin wallet will appear on the screen. Click on Settings option at the bottom right corner of the page. You will end up on the setting page of Bitcoin wallet. Now, click on Backup and Security option. You can either back up your Bitcoin wallet, add cloud backup, or you can either choose manual backup as well. To enable cloud backup, slide the slider of cloud backup to the right side to turn it on. For the manual backup, tap on it and choose the wallet you want to back up and tap on it. This is how you can back up your Bitcoin wallet quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.